I'm going all in, 10x on Bitcoin, but here's what you should do. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Da Vinci. I'm in a pipe one by one. And honestly, I'm going to be going straight back to bed. I am not 100% today. My stomach is killing me. I'm so tired and weak today, so I'm going to make this short and sweet. But one of the things I'd like to rant about what's going on. I mean, the media is saying that the market, the Trump, we've got negative GDP and everything's going collapsing and he's destroying the whole thing. And I'm sorry to say, but they're printing more money, and that's not going to collapse the system unless people start realizing that they're never going to stop printing to keep the stock market afloat and asset prices afloat. What's that mean for you? That means that you're getting poorer. If you're not in Bitcoin, if you're not in gold, if you're not in silver, you are getting poorer. And so we're near the end of the collapse of the currency, probably closer. May not happen this year because people are not realizing, hey, they're printing no matter what. If the market goes down, they're printing. If something happens, they're printing. The market hasn't clued into that yet. And McDonald's is showing you that they're doing that with the prices that people can't afford. But once the market clues in, then they're going to have a dollar crisis. That's coming to a theater near you. And when that happens, right, all your wealth, most people who hold on to their dollars, not willing to risk, will lose everything. So let that sink in. So take risks, calculated risks, so that you can survive what is coming in the next little while. Okay, with that said, right, where do you take these risks? Well, you can do so at levex.davincij15.com and join us here. We've got quite a few people joining me live. Thank you very much. And they're asking me questions. I'm going to answer their questions afterwards, even though I'm a little ill. If they have any questions, please shout out. I've already answered some questions already in the morning. If you want to be a part of that, you want to talk to me, you can. Here it is. Just sign up at levex.davincij15.com. You don't even have to deposit anything. Also, you can do so at bybit.davincij15.com and sign up to 2Bit today. Do some trades and tell me what you like or dislike about 2Bit, and I'm going to give you an Apple Watch. I'm going to mail you this Apple Watch wherever you are. And if you just leave a comment on whether or not you like 2Bit or dislike 2Bit in the comment section below after you try it out. That's 2bit.davincij15.com, or links is in the description. 2bit.davincij15.com. There you go. So yeah. Also, let me just jump over that. Let's just go all in. But before I do, let me just tell you where I want to go all in. Okay, now I could go on in here really effectively, but I'd like to get a better entry point. So if we zoom in here, right, we'll notice something here. There's higher lows, right, and even candle body lows, right? You can see candle body lows are higher and wicks are higher, and so that's interesting. That means that if we break above, we could end up breaking above the 104.08 and go a lot higher. Now, I noticed something as I was looking at this. I was like, wait a second here. There's an invisible line here. And wait a second. I wonder if this goes all the way. Oh, snap. Yes, it does. There's some candle bodies here, right? And failed move, come back here. Oh, look at this. Look at that. This is a critical line here that we've touched here, touched down here. My God. And we're back in it. So the odds of us failing out of this line has dropped significantly. Most likely, we are going to break higher. So with that said, right, when this is going to happen. Let's see here. Let's go down to the 15-minute. Yes, we do have like a reversal pattern here, but there's a trend line here. So, well, we haven't broken definitively with a closing body candle. So, with that said, I'm going to assume that it's going to break. No guarantees from management and go all in at 61.8. Oops. Oh, it doesn't matter. I should do 61.8 from here. Let's see here. There is divergence. Yes, there's divergence. Not confirmed. And there is confirmed divergence right here. There we go. There it is. So, yeah, we already have a candle opening, right? Body up movement. So I'm going to call the 61.8 on this one. Let's see. Is there any sensible reason for me to reverse back to the 61.8? No. There's a nice W, but we've already took off and then came back and retested that. So, yeah. Screw it. I'm going all in from here. That's it. Yeah, I'm just do a limit order slightly below the market and boom. I'm all in. Market's taking it. There we go. We're going to go all in. Now, keep in mind, this is not something you should do because I'm already 10x leverage and I've got my entry way down low. It was originally at 93, but now it's moved back up, right? If we were to come down here, I will actually move the leverage higher to 20x, right? And add to the trade. So if we come back down, so what you should do, if you're willing to go all in, because I mean, Bitcoin is going higher. There's no if, ands, or buts about that. 2x leverage or 3x at the most, right? If prices come back down, you do the same thing. You move the leverage higher and buy some more, right? And that's it. I don't see us breaking down to, I know there's a wick down here, a gap down here, but the odds of us breaking down to the gap is relatively low. And yeah, we could also wait for the gap too if we want to, but I don't think, the worst case scenario is what we bounce off of the 97 and we go higher if we reverse. All right, so I'm going to finish this off so I can go back to bed. I'm looking for possible reversal here. Why? Well, Bitcoin dominance has reversed, right? Heavy, and so it wouldn't be surprised if we come back up, retest the highs here, the green level, to see if we're going to break down or not. And so I'm willing to get into an entry just above this this breakout zone here. Should Solana come back down, that's where I'm willing to buy Solana, nowhere else. Looking at Ethereum, I'm happy where we are. If we break down anywhere near the lows here, like the $2,000 mark, I think you should definitely increase your leverage, and then add to your trade like crazy. Ethereum is going a lot higher with the liquidity coming in as well. So that's the trade for you guys for today. I hope you learned something today. Gonna be going to bed shortly after I answer the questions. Make sure if you want to ask me questions and want to participate, you head over to levex.davincij15.com. And also make sure that if you want an Apple Watch, you try out 2Bit, right? And just tell me in the comment section right now what you like about it, what you didn't like about it. Either way. All right. And one of my staff members will get in contact with you next week, Tuesday. You have until Tuesday to check it out, and then they will choose a commenter in the comment section for this prize. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on Monday. Peace.